Welcome to Tesla Conversations, a channel dedicated to giving you information of how Tesla is changing and disrupting different economies through technology and innovations headed by Elon Musk. Kindly consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell for future videos. And if you love the content, kindly put a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so that it can reach as many people as possible. You can also leave a comment on your feedback about the video, the previous videos, and this video. Today, I will be continuing with the Tesla acquisition series. You can check my previous video on the acquisition of Grumman Engineering. I will leave the link in the description below. I will be talking about the acquisition of Maxwell Technologies on this video. In 2019, Tesla made 3 acquisitions. They first started with San Diego-based Maxwell Technologies for $207 million in an all-stock deal in February 4th of 2019. They also acquired DeepScale in October 1st, 2019 and Hybrid Systems during the same time. Maxwell Technologies was an energy storage company and a pioneer in the design and manufacture of the high power density ultra-capacitors. This acquisition was aimed at aiding the electric automaker in the improvement of its battery technology and battery cost reduction per kilowatt hour, even as competition heightens as the electric vehicle space become even more competitive. Tesla on the 16th of May 2019 announced in a blog post the finalization of the acquisition and thus the takeover of the battery technology of Maxwell Technologies. In the blog post, it showed that there has been discussions by both parties over the years on the various opportunities that they have between them. The pricing negotiations started from December 2018 when Tesla started to seriously want to acquire the company until an agreement was reached. In a previous quarterly earnings, Drew Baglino, the senior vice president powertrain and energy engineering at Tesla, said that they are on the toast on different developments in battery technology industry, and if they find anything that has the potential, they will make a move. In a statement from the company, Maxwell CEO and President Frank Fink said that we believe this transaction is in the best interest of Maxwell stockholders and offers investors the opportunity to participate in Tesla's mission of accelerating the advent of sustainable transport and energy. It wasn't and still isn't clear what Tesla really was after in the acquisition and whether it was the battery technology IP which uses dry electrode technology for battery cells or ultra-capacitors business or both, because Tesla CEO Elon Musk in an interview by the Third Row Tesla podcast crew on YouTube had this to say about the acquisition. It's kind of a big deal. Maxwell has a bunch of technologies that if they are applied in the right way, I think they can have a very big impact, said Elon Musk on the podcast. In a shareholder meeting in 2019, Elon Musk also said, "We think this is really quite strategic. This is a very important technology that will have a big effect on the cost and scale of cell production, both reducing the cost and capital required to scale cell production. We will be able to know exactly what Tesla was after during the next Battery Investor Day on the 20th of May 2020 in Giga, New York, where it will be done." Currently, Tesla Model 3 sedan has an energy density of 220 watt-hour per kilogram at the cell level and 275 watt-hour per liter in the battery pack level. Maxwell Technologies claim that their dry cell electrode patent can produce over 300 watt-hour per kilogram energy density, which is 42.8% increase of the current Tesla Model 3 sedan energy density at cell level. They also claim that with this technology, they can reach energy densities of over 500 watt-hour per kilogram in their batteries, and this would be a 138% increase compared to Tesla's current batteries if it is realized. If true, this will be a major boost towards electric vehicle industry development, as it can increase the range of Tesla's vehicles and thus reduce one disadvantage people usually relate to electric vehicles, which is the range. Applying for Maxwell Technologies dry cell battery technology will be a simple manufacturing process with the end results of between 10 to 20% cost reduction with up to 2 times battery life. The acquisition offers a lot of benefits to Tesla, one being that the dry electrode manufacturing process is an environmentally friendly process without solvents, will improve battery performance and including energy density and range while cutting down manufacturing costs, more cost effective than more commonly used wet electrode technology. The simplicity of the process of Maxwell's dry electrode process is a big competitive advantage for Tesla, which has been proven as the company had already used commercially to make its supercapacitors. If Tesla and its battery partners Panasonic in Gigafactory Nevada and CATL in Gigafactory Shanghai can get Maxwell's process up and running, they can save factory spaces, time, and money altogether. According to Maxwell Technologies, they can also offer improved cycle life and battery capacity by addition of lithium electrodes in the process. With the acquisition, Tesla is looking to diversify its battery suppliers and thus reducing the Panasonic dependency as it has hampered the ramping up of their vehicles. This has been validated by the giving of contract to CATL for local battery sourcing to cater for vehicles manufactured at Gigafactory Shanghai in China. The research and consulting firm Frost & Sullivan believes that Maxwell's acquisition is a winning strategy for Tesla. This is because the acquisition is of a company whose goals aligns with the goals of Maxwell Technologies, and also the vision is also the same. The acquisition also came with the experienced technical and manufacturing team in Maxwell Technologies, which is noticeably capable of making important advancements in the EV and storage industry, with addition of the staff that Tesla has who have also experience on battery technologies. Given the fact that Elon Musk already has a background on ultra-capacitors in his days in Stanford, which he wanted to pursue in PhD in the mid-1990s, Tesla is expected to commercialize the dry electrode manufacturing technology sooner than expected, with the potential synergies for the company, which will further cement its position in the lucrative electric vehicle business. Tesla is in a constant process of improving its vehicle technologies, with the president of automotive, Jerome Guillen, noting in a previous interview that the batteries of the company are always in a process of improvement. With Maxwell Technology, Tesla could potentially improve its batteries, widening the gap between itself and the competitors in the electric car market further. With the recent announcement in the Q1 earnings call by Elon Musk, who said that going forward Tesla will be building terafactories, which is about 27 gigafactories for the manufacturing of its vehicles and its energy batteries deployments. I expect that the battery technology that is going to be used in these terafactories will be from the Maxwell technology. In 2015, Tesla signed a 5-year exclusive research partnership with Jeff Dunn, a leading lithium-ion battery researcher and professor at the Dalhousie University in Nova Scotia. The exclusive partnership with Tesla began in June 2016 after Dunn completed another research project. Since then, they have published the 1 million mile battery research project, which has been tied to Maxwell technology throughout the research. With the acquisition of Hybrid Systems, who manufacture battery manufacturing equipment, this is just fueling more speculation that Tesla is heading towards battery production dependency as they seek for vertical integrations of nearly all of its business processes. Just a few days ago, Jeff Dunn's research team published another research paper on hybrid battery enabling all electric car range extended by taking advantage of both the longevity of lithium-ion cells and the high density of the lithium metal cells. Ours is to hope and pray that Elon Musk and the team in the battery technology continues to improve on the technology, as this is the heartbeat of the advent towards sustainable and clean energy shift and away from the fossil fuel addiction. After recording of this video, there are new information that Tesla is building a pilot project planned in its Fremont factory in a line that is going to use the Maxwell technologies and all the other technologies that they have acquired. Going forward, probably Tesla will be making their own batteries and also improving on the technology that can be used in the manufacture of their vehicles. If you love the content, kindly subscribe to this channel and give us a like for the YouTube algorithm, and also leave a comment on the feedback on what I would like to change going forward. Thanks, and see you in the next.